feisty. Jamaica and no safety, the work look weighty. Ship it on a boat, you know, Florida the coast, where the money hid most. Now go hang it on a rope, gunshot full of smoke. Boat from Haiti, feds know my feisty. Jamaica and no safety, the work look weighty. Ship it on a boat, you know, Florida the coast, where the money hid most. Now hang it with a rope, gunshot full of smoke. A long time if we kill him, but the boy never willing. Help me out for me mission. Money in a session. For me kill him brethren, then me go and kill him cousin. Got him for my face, but the thing they never nothing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So me catch the fool who rob me and go out him like a cigarette. Cigarette. Boat from Haiti, feds know my face. The Jamaica and no safety, the work look weighty. Ship it on a boat, you know, Florida the coast, where the money hid most. Now go hang it on a rope. Boat from Haiti, feds know my face. The Jamaica and no safety, the work look weighty. Ship it on a boat, you know, Florida the coast, where the money hid most. Now go hang it on a rope. People them a chat, but you have to keep them close. Them have the gun more and them want to keep it soak. Man them a goat, so them we a go choke. We need the trophy, but pussy you just go away. Girl them look nice and we know them a trophy. The pretty one like Barbie we just come through and just choke me. Them boy them don't know me, the pussy them a Tony. Want come over throw me, Glock for me never lonely. Drug general, cocaine criminal, in a pussy filled with girl. Fuck boy girl, win up palm girl marks with the evil eye. Mechanically eagle fly. Lose a lot of things and me gain a lot of sins. Sit down on a throne, dog know me is a king. Put that in on my flesh, buy coke, make it flip. Non-stop till me rich. Trade weed in a Haiti, if a gun with no safety. Boat from Haiti, feds know my face. The Jamaica and no safety, the work look weighty. Ship it on a boat, you know, Florida the coast, where the money hid most. Now go hang it on a rope. Boat from Haiti, feds know my face. The Jamaica and no safety, the work look weighty. Ship it on a boat, you know, Florida the coast, where the money hid most. Now go hang it on a rope.